Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another one of my videos. I know you're probably like, girl, why are you standing in this really awkward position? Well, because this is where my desk is and I have it down low. We're gonna go and raise it high in just a minute, but we're gonna be talking about the Flexispot desk that I have. Now, as you guys know, this will be the third Flexispot desk that I own. I have one standing right next to it. I have this one here and then one in the kitchen that holds our family computer, aka Austin's iMac. And I love these because at any given time I can stand up and work or I can sit down and work. And if you guys know anything about working from home, nobody wants to really be sitting down all day because one, that sedentary movement is not good for us. I'm getting older. I don't want secretary's booty either, so there's that. But also just standing up helps your blood flow, and I don't know, I feel more like productive when I'm standing up. So Flexispot wanted to send me this desk to talk to you guys about it. They have some specials on their website. I'll have a code and all that stuff down below so you guys can get into it. But if you have someone that is newly to working at home, or maybe they are a college student, they're starting their own business, listen, this desk is everything. It's perfect for the creative too. So if you're a creator and you find yourself, like I do t-shirts, as you guys can see, I have my little t-shirt machine over here. It's perfect for me to be able to raise it up when I'm pressing down so I don't have to bend over so much. But let me show you guys the perks of this even more than you could think. So hopefully you guys can see the desk. Let me move out the way so y'all can see a little better. So here is our Flexispot desk, and I am going to raise this desk up. So the functions here are super awesome. Look how it's just raising up. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys see how far it was before, and we are raising it up. We are raising the bar, okay, friends? Raising the bar. Look at that. I absolutely love the fact that it can go up here. Now, I am not that tall. So here we are, here's me, and here's the table. But I can fit under the table, because that's a thing. And then I also can, wait, the camera's bent. Hold on, wait, you guys need to be better looking. Okay, let's scoot you back so you guys can see. Okay, let's get back refocused. Okay, this is such a video. This lets you know that I'm real serious about this. So here is the desk up high, and I am 5'5". This desk is now up here, and it's got a little more time to go up, okay? So it goes to 47.6 inches tall. So again, I'm 5'5". This desk is taller than me. It goes all the way up, and you guys can see where that is there. It also has a drawer over here on this side, which I love. But again, this is perfect because if you are working, you're able to stand and work. Bring it up, bring it down. All right, so the put together actually was not that hard either. It does say you need 2 people, and yeah, 2 people will probably make it tons and tons easier, but it's just me here. So I put this together myself. Now, this came in 3 different boxes. So the table came by itself, and then the legs came by itself. And that tells you like how sturdy and strong this is, that they didn't put everything in one box, which I thought that was cool. One, it made it easier for me to be able to drag into this room and put it together, but it means that this is really sturdy as well. And I love the fact that like everything on here is like, as you see, I'm bringing it down, but it's so heavy and strong. So if you guys are in the market, like I said, dorm room, home office, your office, crafting room, planning room, if you are in the need for a new desk and you want to be ergonomic, you guys, this is going to be the place to go. Flexispot has everything that you need. Check out the website. They have tons of more that you can get. They have some, again, that have the 2 layers, which I have that one in the kitchen if you guys haven't already seen that. And I'm trying to think of what else, because I really love Flexispot. Like, again, at my old position, I was purchasing these for people who would work from home or who had like special needs at the site. I got these for them so that they would be able to, you know, work comfortably. And that's what you want. That's the overall theme of Flexispot, is the flexibility to be able to flex your spot. Like, Flexispot is flexing your spot. It's making your spot flexible, making you feel comfortable and working, and that is what I love. So make sure you guys head over to Flexispot and use the code down below. Tell them I sent you. That's how you tell them I sent you. Use my code, use my link, okay, and get you one of these, because again, you guys, it's time out for us just being sedentary. We need to have a little movement, and this helps the blood circulation and all of that, okay? I ain't no doctor, but I played one on TV, okay? And that's what they told me to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Flexispot, for sponsoring this video. And don't forget to head over to their site and check them out right now. I love you guys in real life. Mwah! KK, bye!
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.